Addressing a media conference, Kahangoro says the Ministry of Health has deployed healthcare workers across the country to fight COVID-19. However, he claims these workers are not recognized and are allegedly often forced to carry out their duties without personal protective equipment.
PSN has made a suggestion also to the Ministry of Finance to set aside a portion of the budget of the 2020-2021 financial year, a budget that will be only reserved for the allocations of the incentives to these healthcare workers, just as a manner of appreciating their efforts and their commitment during this difficult time, and also as a token that will encourage these people to continue working harder and risking their life in the way they do. And surprisingly, Minister Shimi told us that he cannot deal with us directly with that matter. We should rather go through the Minister of Labour, Minister Tony, so that he can look at that matter and consider what best he can do about it.
He noted that this year is not business as usual as Public Service Union of Namibia vows to continue fighting for the rights of workers for both private and public sectors. Kahangoro also warned the Office of the Labour Commissioner to be independent from the Ministry of Labour, Industrial Relations and Employment Creation.
Often, the Ministry of Labour, Industrial Relations and Employment Creation is not granted the important status that it deserves at national level, even though it is an important ministry linking the main economic role players. That means now the labor, business, the government. The earlier this mentality is done away with, the better. While we are concerned with the low status accorded to this ministry, we are also concerned with the failure of alternative dispute resolution mechanism that was opted with the amendment of the old Act.
The Ministry of Health and Social Services Executive Director Ben Nankombe denied the accusation, saying that they have a policy of providing personal protective equipment to healthcare workers according to the needs in different departments and how workers are exposed. Lucian Ifindaka, NBC News, Windhoek.